Hey guys, welcome back to the fourth or fifth, I think fifth, Exoskeleton update, and major one at that. So I've been working on the wiring and a few other things. I've had a lot of issues, that's why I haven't done a video. So it just takes a really long time to get this together, to get these videos together, and I'm trying my best with what I have. So just gonna switch over to so these are what I've been having issues with. These voltage boosters. 3 of them burned out. I've had 3 left, and the one that is supposed to go in the circuitry is missing, so I need to find that at some point. But other than that, everything's going good, you know, just all the wires melted once, pulled 25 amps from the batteries. This is the whole wiring system here. Everything is like sort of quick connect rig up things. See these little pin connectors? It'll focus, there it is. See the little pin connectors, and they just connect together really easily. They're from this old laptop, I think USB extension hub, and that's about it for the wiring. Got working on the shoulder frame here, got that in place, drilled holes, the works. Got in some giant 120mm fans. I don't know if I already said this or not. Have the pneumatics set up. This works. Batteries, got the batteries, solenoids. Solenoids are wired up also with these like quick connect things. So they actually just plug right into the USB fan hub, which makes things super convenient. I can get one. Where's the little? So it just plugs in like that. It just plugs in like that, and it makes things super simple for me. So that's about it so far. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I'm gonna work on the arms once I figure out this electronics system. So hopefully fan here, fan here, fan here, and then fan here. All these are gonna be 120 mils. And then there's also a 5th fan here that's going to directly cool the compressor. So I also 3D printed little feet for it, so it stands up now, unless it falls over. I think I'm going to be, well, that happened. Hopefully I didn't break anything. I'll find out later. I think I'm gonna end up replacing these with just permanently attaching it to the back of the armor, just for the sake of simplicity. I mean, it's only the school fair. I mean, it's nothing too difficult. But other than that, that's about it. And I'm going to go over some future plans in 3, 2, 1. Okay, future plans. So for the shoulders, I'm going to take this, a weldment like this, it's sort of like a shoulder bracket. It's going to come out. So imagine this is right here. So this is going to come out like this, attached to the here, and then or like this, one of the two. And there's going to be another cross section that comes down here as support. And I'm going to enclose the whole thing in like a steel sheet metal cover, so that I can circulate the air using the 120mm fans, so that you have better cooling on the compressor. And I've also come up with a plan for the arm system. So the compressor is going to have to, if I do it the traditional way by releasing air, when I do this, every time you're going to have to release air and then refill the tank. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have one solenoid open. It's going to extend the arm. Oh no, what did I break? And then there's going to be another one that opens, also supplying to, no, not 200 psi, 150 psi from the tank and it's going to close it. Well, it's going to go from here to here, and then it's just going to keep going. So one possible flaw with this design is if once it reaches that maximum pressure, it won't be able to close the other side. So I might have to do like a slow leakage valve almost, so that a little bit of air leaks out, but not a ton. Go away, notification. I don't care about Jimmy Carter. That's about it for now. I mean, and then I will update y'all next time. Also, comment, like, and subscribe, or else I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You know, right there. See, right there. Right there. Better like, better subscribe. And if you don't tell your friends, I'll get you. Better. Yep, I see you. I see you right now. You better click that like button. You better, or else I'm gonna get you. Also, a quick editing note, I'm shooting this on my phone instead of the GoPro that I have. So let me know if you'd rather have this than the fisheye lens. I know editing the fisheye lens, I don't like it, I don't like watching it either, so let me know if you like this better. You better like that. I see you trying to click away. You better like it.